I'm a fourth-generation welder, so I just wanted to join welding to kind of get the sense of what they did. I thought I was going to do welding at first. I'll be walking down LTC and I'm going to be graduating with a certificate, but then I'm going to be going to Rose-Hulman and I'm going to be studying mechanical engineering for the next 4 years. There's a lot more opportunities for you whenever you leave welding. So while welders are in really high demand, female welders are even higher demand. So I know if I wanted to, as soon as I get my certificate, there's bound to be a place somewhere that is wanting that sense of diversity and they want a female welder. I would say absolutely do it. I think it would seem intimidating at first because, this type of environment and blue-collar careers are mostly advertised to men. And I think that women should not be intimidated by a few guys that are saying don't do it. If you're going to be successful at it, do it. Women have been working for years and generations to finally be equal and work in a workforce like this, and I say go for it. Don't hold back. Here it's a lot nicer than I feel like it would actually be out in the workforce. So here, it definitely gets you used to areas where out in the workforce and stuff like that where you would not have as many girls. I can kind of get used to that kind of experience before I go on to a workforce that has not a lot of girls in it. And I've always been really creative and I loved doing hands-on work, but I've never been able to do it at a school and be able to take my creative stuff and put it into my schoolwork. And at the very end, I get to see the entire product and I get to be oh, I made that. I planned that, I did the math, I did everything for that, and I get to have that sense of accomplishment with it.